Hello and welcome back. So today I thought I might do something a little different. It's going to be a domestic day today. We got back from Indy last week. Today, anyway, we're going to go to Home Depot and Home Depot Garden Center specifically to pick up some plants. As you can see, the hanging hook up there. We have a hanging hook up there as well. There's two here, one there and over there. There's a few pots back here, and also I have some pots actually where I put herbs like rosemary, thyme, basil, oregano, and a few other things that I use for cooking every so often. So I need to refill those. Good. Look at this. What is this doing hiding in there? This does not belong there. This is a feeder for the birds. I put sunflower seeds in that. So we're gonna plant that right here. You can put sunflower seeds in there and the birds will eat from there. We have a bird feeder that's here. I need to get feed for this one because I'm pretty sure it's empty. Yep, it is. Let's check it out. So when we open it up, there is some feed in there. Not much though. Just push it forward so that the birds will get to it. Now, let's go on to Home Depot and see if we can find some plants to put in this house. In these pots. You can see there's another pot right there. See, that one is empty as well. So is this one. I know the herbs go here. This is lavender, which came back, but all the other ones are empty as well. So let's go on a little trip to Home Depot and see if we can pick up some plants to plant, and then after that, so let's go. This is actually Merrifield Gardens, not Home Depot. So we're gonna come here and see if we can pick up some
basket of some sort.
There's some here, I believe. Okay. Is there?
There's some there, so I figured I'd grab one.
Okay, yeah, we can grab one of those, no problem. Rosemary, I believe. Herb English lavender. This is lavender. This here is rosemary. That's what I want. So I'm gonna grab a few of these. I'm gonna grab one of these.
These are gorgeous. This lantana is beautiful. And I'm thinking I'll just take them, drop them into a pot, and we're done.
Yeah.
Like just take them out of the hanging. Unless we want to use them on the front porch, which we could do. But I like these two lantanas. They're
Those
really,
two
really
right there.
beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want me to grab them?
Yeah.
Which one? One of these?
This one and that one.
So this one, I don't know what's happened to prices of things. They have gone through the roof. Like those two things of lantana are $40 each.
Okay, that's not even a big one.
Huh?
This, $80.
Oh my God. Look at this beautiful setup.
Great one. I'm like, then I saw the
Look at the price. It's like what? And that's for that. So I think we're just gonna have to buy something and plant it in our own pot. It's gonna be cheaper.
We go into Home Depot after this.
Yeah. Yeah. So we made
A
it.
lot of beautiful this stuff though.
Yeah.
Those side planters.
Yeah.
Depot doesn't always have the
So this is why we wanted to go to Home Depot first, because things here tend to be a little more on the pricey side. But their quality is better than Home Depot, I guess. But do those prices really, how do you justify those prices? $80 for that plant. I don't know. That's a tank of gas for a week nowadays. But the house has to look nice. They're very nice. Like, look at this. They're very beautifully done.
You know, you buy two of these with patch to the house.
Yeah. $79.99. Those hanging things, yeah. They
down.
make the pot, right?
Yeah, I want to put this in the planter. And they're doing like a begonia here, which I think is what I'm going to do this year, because they'll work in sun or shade. And sometimes the porch gets sun and sometimes it gets shade, like the front ones.
Yeah.
As the summer goes on. So I think I'm going to do begonias and this kind of thing. I don't know what this is.
Going in. So the next stop is Home Depot, the garden center there. We're gonna go look at the plants that they have to see if we can grab a few more things to fill the rest of our pots.
Really defender.
Yeah. What is that? Like Pangea green?
Different. This has like a metallic glow to it.
Yeah.
And the Pangea was more matte, I thought.
No.
Is that the Pangea? God,
I think so.
I wish they had what we got, the 8 in that color. Because God, I love that color. Every time I see that color, I feel like a shock of envy.
Yeah.
Yeah, black is nice and all, but that's pretty.
Yeah. Yeah.
First you buy, then you load. Comes in handy to have a big defender.
That one. So I'll grab this 4. Yeah.
Quite a haul, including what we spent at Merrifield. 3, 4, 50, about 500 in plants. And we're not done, but it's a lot. Most of it.
That's a lot of plants.
I was just saying, County, what we got at Merrifield. South
Yeah.
London, North London.